Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to our platform of National IAS, and today we are going to cover two topics. Obviously the second topic was not mentioned in the poster, but yes, definitely we will cover two topics. And my dear students, please remember this topic which I am going to cover today is extremely important for your work time and work time and wage related problems. So please remember, questions from this arena might be less as of now, but they're extremely important because the same fundamentals extend to work and time. Understood? So please be very much focused in today's class, and then again we will try to explore the extension of speed, distance, time, that is both problem. Understood? So yeah, I hope I am audible and visible clearly. Let us move ahead, and today we are going to see the past year question, that is from 2015. After 2015 I could not find any question from these two topics. Understood? Two pipes A and B can independently fill a tank completely in 20 and 30 minutes respectively. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, how much time will they take to fill the tank completely? So that we have to tell. We will discuss how to solve these questions. Understood? The second question which I have brought for you is Monu can row 12 km per hour in still water. It takes him twice as long to row up as to row down the river. Understood this thing? It is taking him twice the time. Understood? The rate of stream is. So we have to tell what is the rate of stream. This is again very much simple question and quite apt for different kind of questions, different kind of aptitude exam. This is a very good question actually. Understood? Then the third question which we are going to solve is ratio of speed of a boat to that of current of water is 36 is to 5. The boat goes along with the current in 5 hours 10 minutes. It will come back in how much time? We have to tell, right? Understood? Everyone is clear about these questions? Now my dear students, let us talk about the formula, and in that part I will first talk about pipes and cisterns. Pipes and cisterns. See my dear students, here one concept which is extremely important is work in unit time. Work in unit time, because that is the thing which adds up or subtract. For example, let us say this is my tank and there are two taps which can fill it up. Understood? These two taps are there. Let us say this tap can fill it in X hours, right? And this can fill it up in Y hours. At the same time, there is another tap which is, let us say over here, that can empty this tank in Z hours. So my dear students, the moment you see this question, the first thing which you should ask is, okay, what is the unit hour work of these taps? How much of the tank will these taps individually fill in a single hour? So my dear students, you will get the answer. Okay, work per hour will be equal to 1 by X. Understood? Same way, here it will become work per hour will be equal to 1 by Y. And the same way here, it is emptying it. It is emptying it means it is it is throwing water away from it, right? So that is why here work will be negative. Please remember, you can take negative work minus 1 upon Z. My dear students, if all the three will be opened at once, what will happen? How much work will be done? 1 by X plus 1 by Y minus 1 by Z. Understood this thing? So that will be the total work. So my dear students, how much time will take if all these three are opened up, then how much time will it take to fill this tank? Only thing which you have to do is to find this and then invert it. Time taken to complete task is equal to 1 upon X plus 1 upon Y minus 1 upon Z inverse. Good evening Karthikeyan, how are you? So please just inverse it. By that way you will get your answer. I hope this is extremely clear, right? You have to find unit hour work. With that, you will be able to substantiate it or handle it. Understood? Please be very clear about it. There should be no confusion. Please have a look on it. It is extremely important that you are very much thorough with this notion, because the same thing will be used in work, time and wages. Now my dear students, let us talk about boat formula. Boats related, whatever problems are related with boat. So this will be somewhat extension of your speed, distance and time. And there also, if you remember, I discussed that, let us say this is my river. This will be called upstream. The river is flowing like this. This will be called upstream. This will be called downstream, right? So please remember, be aware of the terminology. Then there is another thing, the speed of boat in still water. Speed of boat in, let us say still water, let us say lake, right? Speed of boat in still water. Let us say that it is nothing but u. It is u. Please remember u. And velocity of current stream or current, understood, is let us say small v. Understood? Small v. Clear? Now my dear students, let us say that there is a boat in this river. There is a boat in this river. Let us say this is our boat, which is going with the current. So it will go at its usual speed of u. So my dear students, if you will notice clearly, yesterday also when I was taking speed, distance and time, I told that if the second thing is riding on the first thing means first thing is flowing, and above that first thing, the second thing is also flowing. In that case, what will happen, if both are moving in the same direction, unlike relative velocity, the effective velocity will be taken. Wait, I think it will not be visible, but yeah, let me change the color of the pen. Yeah, v effective will be equal to u plus v. Understood? If boat is going downstream, that is with current, understood, with current or in direction of current, understood, v effective will be equal to u minus v if boat is going upstream. Please remember, that is against current. So you all understand that whenever you will try to go against current, your speed will slow down. Right? So my dear students, you will realize one thing, whenever you will try to go upstream or against the currents, you will take more time. Please remember here, more time will be taken by you. Understood? Because this is less. And in this case, lesser time will be required. Understood? Now on this pattern, multiple type of questions are formed, but the most important thing is that you should understand that v effective is v plus u plus v, u minus v. Then you will be able to solve it very clearly. We will see how to apply these things. Understood? So this is the most basic formula which you should remember and mug up. Now, yes, there might be a question like, okay, this is let us say A point, this is B point between which this boat is going, and this distance is let us say D, right? And the complete journey is done between T time. So D upon U plus V plus D upon U minus V is equal to T. And then some other relation will be also given, so that you can easily solve either the distance or the time or whatever is given. Understood? So yeah, let us try to solve the first question, that is two pipes A and B can independently fill a tank completely in 20 minutes and 30 minutes respectively. So my dear students, there are two taps. Please remember, I am giving a notion, just the notional diagram, right? Let us say this is my tap, and this is my tank, big tank, right? This can fill it up in 20 minutes. This can fill it up in 30 minutes. Clear? If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, how much time will it take to fill? So to find this, what should we do? We should find unit hour work of this. So this will become 1 upon 20 and this will become 1 upon 30. So what I will do, I will add them both. 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 30. How much will it be? It will be something like 50 upon 600. 0 0 will cancel out, this will become 12, so that is equal to 1 upon 12, right? Understood everyone? है ना? So please remember, if both of them will be opened, unit hour work, total unit hour work will be nothing but 1 by 12. Yes Karthikeyan, thank you for that, that's awesome, है ना? Now my dear students, time taken we have to tell. Time taken, please remember, time taken will be nothing but inverse of unit hour work, inverse of unit hour work, so that will become 12 hours. Understood? So 12 minutes, sorry, 12 minutes, because here unit was in minutes, so see over here, right? So this will become 12 minutes, this will become 12 minutes, so that is the answer. What is the answer? It is nothing but B. Understood? Is it clear? Invert it so that you get the answer. Now my dear students, Monu can row 12 km per hour in still water, and it takes him twice as long to row up as to row down in the river. The rate of stream is, now my dear students, you all know that speed is equal to V into T, right? But if you look carefully, V is inversely proportional to T. That means suppose V1 upon V2, है ना? V1 upon V2, if I want to calculate, it will become T2 upon T1, T2 upon T1. Now my dear students, if you look carefully, if it, let us make it upstream and downstream, upstream and downstream. So this will become downstream, this will become upstream, right? My dear students, you also know that the question says that it takes him twice as long to row up, That means he is upside. Velocity is very, time taken by him will be, let us say this, if this is T, if this is, let us say T, then while going upside he will take 2T, so that will become T upon 2T, right? T will get cancelled, this will become 1 by 2. This means V upstream upon V downstream is equal to 1 by 2. Now you know that V upstream is what? Upstream you are going, right? So U minus V. Am I clearly audible? Can anyone confirm me it? Or was anything missed in between? Am I clearly audible? Okay, thank you Tanmay, thank you for confirming that, right? So yeah, please see, V upstream upon V downstream is equal to 1 by 2. And my dear students, please remember, if there is anything missing which you cannot connect with, please let me know, right? Because I feel there was some glitch in my broadband connection, right? Okay, so upstream is U minus V as we have decided, and downside it will become U plus V, right? Now my dear students, you know that Monu can row 12 km per hour in still water. That means U is value is given 1 by 2 is equal to, 1 by 2 is equal to how much? 12 plus V. 12 plus V upon, sorry, 12 minus V. 12 minus V upon 12 plus V. So my dear students, what we can do, we can just put up the value and try it out, hai na? So let us say we try 4. What about we try 4? 12 minus 4 upon 12 plus 4. Are we getting 1 by 2? Yes, we are definitely getting. That is why B will be the correct answer. Go by the option. Sometimes it is not like you should always solve by the rule that cross multiplication should be there and then you will find V, right? Upstream, see Tanmay, what is happening? Please look over here. Whenever you are going upstream, right, what will happen? You have to resist the current as well, because current wants to take you in this direction. You want to go upstream, upside, right? So my dears, please remember this thing. Is it clear? So upstream will always be equal to U minus V. That is this case, second case. Understood? It will be subtraction over here. It is not relative velocity. Please remember, in relative velocity, it will be addition. But since both are riding upon each other, for example, this is river, and on that river this boat is flowing. Please remember, that will add up. That will add up. It is just like escalator. Suppose escalator is going up. You are standing over here. You know that obviously anyways you will go up. But suppose now you are in a hurry. You start walking. What will happen? Your speed will increase. You might have felt it, right? So when you are riding the carrier, in that case, effective velocity will be addition if both direction is same. Please never ever get confused in all this. Clear? In the speed, distance, time also I had clarified this doubt. But yeah, this is good that you asked, है ना? Okay, that's correct. Awesome. Let us go ahead. I hope everyone is clear about this B, right? Any doubt? We can also try it by options. Please make sure that you are remembering this thing, that also see options whenever you are going for solving a question, because that might save your efforts. Okay, now my dear students, the ratio of speed of boat to that of current of water is 36:1. So U upon V is given to be 36 upon 5. The boat goes along with the current in 5 hours 10 minutes. My dear students, you know that distance is equal to velocity V effective obviously into time. So my dear students, what I can do, 36 upon 5, right? 36. So can I write like U is equal to 36x? I can presume it, right? V is equal to 5x, right? So V effective, when you are moving along with the current, right? Along with the current. Along with the current is the key. Please remember, that means downstream. Downstream. That will become U plus V into T. That will become 36 plus 5. How much will it be? Almost more than 7 hours. That's cool. That's cool. है ना? Good way to guess. Please remember, how much will it be? 41x into T. That is the distance part. That is the distance part, right? Now, my dear students, we have to talk about in how much time will he come back. Distance will remain same. So obviously this thing will remain same. What will change? My dear students, 41xt, that is equal to distance. And now we are coming upstream. Upstream means U minus V into T. Obviously T is upstream, right? So U minus V will become 36 upon 5. 36 minus 5, that will become 31. 31x, right? 31x. Wait, there is some issue. Okay, yes, this is downstream time and this is upstream time, T upstream, right? So my dear students, if you will look carefully and try to solve it, you will get that x will cancel out, x will cancel out, and we will get relation between downstream time and upstream time. So what is the relation? 41 upon 31 multiplied by downstream time, that is equal to how much? 5 hours 10 minutes. 5 hours 10 minutes. So what we can do? We can convert everything in a minute, everything in 1 minute, everything in a minute. So this will become how much? 5 into 60. That is equal to how much? 300, right? So 310. 310 is equal to TUS, right? This will go like 10. So 410 minutes will be taken while coming upwards. Now the challenge is to convert it into hours. How to convert it? It will never be 7 hours, right? Because obviously it is higher, right? And 6 sevens are 42. So that is quite 10 minutes less than 7 hours. 10 minutes less than 7 hours, right? 10 minutes less than 7 hours. That is why C is the correct, right? No, Karthikeyan, please look carefully. 410 minutes, right? So nearest number is 420. That is equal to 60 into 7. 7 hours, that means, right? And here 10 minutes are less. That means 10 minutes less than 7 hours. That is 6 hours 50 minutes. Is it clear? If you are not getting it, just divide it by 60. 410, you will get it like 6, 360, and you will get 50, right? So 6 hours 50 minutes. Correct? Yes. So my dear students, with that I will wind up the session. But please remember, as usual, I will give you some questions to practice. Please take up this question first. Please take screenshot and you know where to send it, right? Please take screenshot. In other lectures I have told you, right, how to reach me out. Taken the screenshot? Okay. Now the next question, please take the screenshot again. Today there will be only 2 questions for practice, right? These 2 questions. And with that I am ending this session. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Apart from that, also comment any of your query, doubt, feedback, because exams are also nearing, right? So anything, any help you need, please comment, or you can reach out personally as well. So yeah, thank you and have a great day ahead.